evolutionary fast hair fall rescue range. Two elements can make hair fall. Unlike others that only tackle breakage, the new Dove hair fall.
Hello and welcome everyone, my name is John Mark, and this time we're going to talk about how we can make a speech recognition right on Visual Basic 2008, where we can able to put our speech on the text box as text. So I will not waste your time, I will explain it straight to the point, a little bit faster, and if you cannot catch up, you can of course play it again and again. Okay, so go to Visual Basic, go to the file, create a new project, and name the project speech recognition, but actually you can name it any name you want. Okay, wait for the load to load. Okay, so this is very important. Address your form into the project and add reference to the .NET and find the system speech 3.0, then click OK. This is very good initialization. Okay, let's put the text box, multi-line the text box, and go to the form code. Then try to import three systems. We have import system, that's speech recognition, that's speech, that's recognition, then import system that trading, import system that globalization. This is the last import system. Okay, so then go to the public class form, then try to public event speech recognize as the event handler, of speech recognize event arg. Right here, downline we have to dim A as a new speech recognizer, dim B as the grammar, dim C as a string must be equal to new string English US. English, we can also use English Great Britain, but most widely used language is US, so then let's change US. Okay, so go to the private form, okay, so let's thread the current culture is equals to new current info for the English language, English US. Okay, so downline, just copy this one above and paste it downline, change the current culture to current UI culture, and that's all. Then you can now dim the as a new choices for C or as our string. Then let's go to the B must be equal to the new grammar. Okay, close quantity, new grammar builder for D. Then there's A that load grammar for B. Okay, downline add handler A that speech recognize comma address of me dot receive event. Actually we'll use this later on. Then let's A enable A must be equal to true. Okay, so if and then go to the public sub of recipient. Public sub recipient Bible sender as system object system.object. Okay, comma Bible E as recognition event arch. Okay, so take note that new recipient will lose its blue line. Then we can now add the if and then function. So if E, okay, let's listen. E dot result dot text is equal to English dash US, then text back one dot text must be equal to the string C. Okay, so this is all, and we can debug this one, and you can try it to yourself. Okay, that's all. I hope you have learned something, and thank you for watching. I can't demo it right on this time because it was a conflict between the two programs, the video recorder and this one.